2007 Chevy Express all-wheel drive handicap wheelchair conversion van. 90,000 original miles, clean Carfax, rust-free. Has power doors, transfer seat, hand controls. Transfer seat is at the driver's side. Has dual side entry doors, factory navigation, backup camera. Fully loaded. Very nice, clean van. Does have a few cosmetics on the interior, just from normal wear and tear for the year, mileage. Overall, it is a very nice, clean van. Shows very nicely. Exterior body's nice. Nice chrome wheels. The wheels are in good shape. The inside part of the wheels have a little bit of pitting. Tires are good. Again, this is an all-wheel drive. Has a Braun Vista lift with power doors, raised side entry doors, dual side entry doors. It is remote powered and also has a control inside. There was an easy lock also with this vehicle. They had removed it before we got it. It does come with the vehicle. I'm sure it can be reinstalled if you need that function. Lift is in good shape, seats are in good shape. Carpet has a little bit of fading just from age, which is normal on these Chevy Express vans. You do have the 6-way transfer seat here. Wood grain interior. The wood grain has some fading to it also. That is not perfect. Again, we try to disclose everything we can. Make sure you can make a decision for yourself. Does have hand controls. Everything is working the way it's supposed to. Pretty lighting throughout. Does have TV, rear entertainment. Very nice. Van runs great, drives great. Does have Sherlock tie downs for the floor, the ratchet straps, which are great. Very easy and nice van to use, whether you're driving yourself or a loved one. Super nice, inside and out. Lift is in good shape. Everything works the way it's supposed to. I will show you how that works. Got his rear sunroof. There's a lot of options on this van. Super nice. It's 90,000 original miles, right at 90. Give us a call, 954-561-2499 if you have any questions. We are happy to help at any time. Show you how the lift works here. Sorry, I had the safety on. There is a safety there. Everything works the way it's supposed to. As you can see. Do have power doors. There is a safety on this lift. Very nice, clean van. Give us a call if you have any questions. 954-561-2499. We are happy to help at any time. Does have side view cameras as well. Hand controls, transfer seat. It's fully loaded and it's all-wheel drive, which is ultra rare. Hard to find. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. Thank you.